What kind of animal is that? I don't know if it's a beaver or a possum. I can see that tail. Do groundhogs get that big? And you up there making squirrel noises at me. I'm in my place. Ain't nobody messing with y'all. Shit. And I said I want to go to the country. I guess I'm getting ready for it. Oh, child. Okay, I had to go get my tripod and set it up with my camera so I can catch it and see what we have here. This was pretty cool. Let's see.